Coming.
Cover your fucking
I don't think we should do that.
I don't want.
Yes, you should.
I don't want to blow up your.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
You think we should? Yeah.
I don't want to blow up your kid. Cover your fucking. Boob.
No.
We're not covering. Please, I don't think we should. Like,
Do it.
Huffman style right here.
I don't think we should do it. No.
Brandon, don't be a puss.
Weird. I'm just going for the belly.
Oh, don't be a pussy.
I'm aiming for the belly button. I swear to God.
Dawn.
You want cottage cheese? Ready?
Dawn.
Come on, seriously. All right.
Look at him.
Cover your face one more time. I'm going.
Oh.
I'm going. Go on.
I'm so scared to get this right now.
Really? Okay. Alright. It's not even a blow. Ready? Seriously, I'm going for the belly button. Come on.
Oh, that was awesome! Oh, you gotta see that.
Oh, fuck. Go first.
How'd that feel? Wait. Hold on.
Oh, go for the skin, not the dick. No, I didn't do it in the pants. I had to really do it. Okay. Not in the dick. Not in the dick. Oh, really? You hit here. You're going for my...
Wow, you can really tell Brandon plays ball.
Oh, that's so cool. I hit him. It just didn't go off. Awful. Oh, to the shoulder again. We're done.
Oh no.
Oh, look at me.
Ow.
Okay, so you have to upload that right away.
Which is?
Goodness.